This repair video for the P2191 error code is specifically tailored for Volkswagen drivers. If your Volkswagen is showing the P2191 code, this is for you. The P2191 engine error code indicates that the air-fuel ratio is too lean at higher load bank 1. It means the ECM is detecting that the fuel control has reached its rich limits when the engine is under a heavy load on bank 1. In this situation, cease driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Fuel pressure issues, intake air leaks, PCV valve problems, faulty sensors, fuel or airflow issues. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Method 2. Check the fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seats over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise, the engine will run unevenly. To prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. It is commonly found in Mazda, Subaru, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Kia vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.